Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances for different cooking tasks? Imagine having just one powerhouse that can slow cook, bake, sauté, roast, steam, sous vide, and even make yogurt, all at the touch of a button. This Spoonlemon 6.5 quart 11-in-1 multi-cooker is about to revolutionize the way you cook, bringing convenience, versatility, and efficiency to your kitchen. From family dinners to impressive dinner parties, this multi-cooker is designed to handle everything, saving you valuable time and effort while ensuring your meals turn out perfect every single time. Let's dive into why the Spoonlemon 6.5 quart 11-in-1 multi-cooker is quickly becoming a must-have kitchen appliance for home cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Why choose the Spoonlemon 6.5 quart 11-in-1 multi-cooker? The Spoonlemon multi-cooker is not just another slow cooker. It's an all-in-one cooking hub that brings together 11 different cooking functions, allowing you to explore a variety of culinary techniques in a single, easy-to-use device. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking a family feast, the versatility of this appliance ensures that you can tackle any recipe with confidence. Key features and benefits. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple gadgets when you can have it all in one? The Spoonlemon multi-cooker boasts 11 cooking functions, including slow cook, bake, sauté, roast, sous vide, yogurt, stew, steam, rice, and more. Whether you're looking to make tender stews, crispy roasted vegetables, or melt-in-your-mouth sous vide steak, this multi-cooker has you covered. This multi-functionality is perfect for home chefs who want to explore different cooking methods without the need for extra tools. One of the standout features of the Spoonlemon 6.5 quart multi-cooker is the manual function, which allows you to take full control of your cooking. With this function, you can adjust both the time and temperature settings to create dishes tailored to your exact preferences. Whether you want a slow-cooked stew or a quick roast, you have the power to customize every detail of the cooking process. The 6.5 quart capacity of the Spoonlemon multi-cooker makes it perfect for family meals, dinner parties, and meal prepping. This ample space allows you to cook enough for everyone, whether you're making a hearty soup, a large roast, or even a batch of yogurt. Plus, the powerful 1500-watt heating system ensures that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but with the Spoonlemon multi-cooker, that's no longer an issue. The nonstick inner pot ensures that your food doesn't stick to the sides, making it easy to clean. And when you're done cooking, simply place the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. Cooking rice can be tricky, but with the specialized rice function, the Spoonlemon multi-cooker takes the guesswork out of it. The automatic adjustments for time and temperature ensure perfectly cooked rice at the press of a button. No more undercooked or overcooked rice. The Spoonlemon multi-cooker offers preset temperature options for different functions, such as slow cook, stew, yogurt, and steam. This means you can focus on your schedule, and the cooker will take care of the rest. Whether you're in a hurry or preparing a meal to enjoy later, the preset functions help you stay on track. If you're ready to get creative in the kitchen, the sous vide, bake, and sauté functions offer incredible flexibility for culinary exploration. With the ability to bake bread, sauté vegetables, or cook steak sous vide style, this multi-cooker lets you master advanced cooking techniques in the comfort of your home. The digital display of the Spoonlemon 6.5 quart multi-cooker is easy to read and use, ensuring that you can monitor your cooking progress at a glance. Adjusting the time and temperature is straightforward, so you can make real-time changes as needed for the perfect meal. The nonstick inner pot is designed for easy transport from stovetop to table. No need to transfer food to another dish. Simply bring the pot to the table and serve family style. This feature is perfect for casual gatherings or dinner parties, making it easy to serve delicious meals without the hassle of extra dishes. Why you should buy the Spoonlemon 6.5 quart 11-in-1 multi-cooker? The Spoonlemon 6.5 quart 11-in-1 multi-cooker is more than just a slow cooker. It's an all-in-one appliance designed to simplify your life and elevate your cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, a foodie, or someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, this multi-cooker has something to offer. With its versatile features, large capacity, and user-friendly interface, it's an investment you won't regret. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.